Have you ever wondered how bad is an Alibaba shifter? Well, let's find out. This is an Alibaba shifter. This is going to go on my 2009 Honda Fit. And if you're asking yourself, why am I actually doing this? Honestly, it's for research purpose. Bill Nye the Science Guy. I want to see how bad one of these shifters could actually be. By looking at it closely, you can kind of see the quality of welds that we have already. It may look good from far, but I have a feeling it is far from good. I am going to be a naysayer this entire time until hopefully, maybe, this proves me wrong. One thing I'm gonna do quickly is confirm everything is locked down and tightened before we do the install. The install shouldn't be that bad. Let me know what you guys think below. Is this gonna be worth it, or should I have just saved my money? Check out our new hat. This thing is absolutely dope. It's the Stitch Street Legacy. Really nice quality on this, and these are now available on streetlegacy.ca. Backed by popular request is our 10mm keychains. The big difference with this one, we have a nice detailed Street Legacy here. Every pack gets a collectible build sticker, and get these before they're gone. A lot of these already sold. If you guys aren't keeping up with my Instagram gets everything first, so yeah, go check those out. So one thing that kind of like confuses me here is the amount of pins they gave me here. So 4 main mounting bolts, sure, 1 main pin that holds maybe the shifter in, but why do I have all these little retaining clips here? I have no idea. We're gonna figure it out. Let's get to tightening this down and making sure everything's actually good. Oh my god, they are loose. Everything is loose, and that is honestly really loose for what it should. I think these things are already rounded through. I don't think these can get any tighter. Let's see. Oh no, they can. So number 1, strike 1. I guess when they assembled this, they did not assemble it correctly, or they forgot to tighten a few things, because I am literally just hand tightening these things. And yeah, strike 1. So that is the main side there. Aside from that, it doesn't feel horrible, right? Like, it gives us adjustability with 1 and 2 spots right here. We're just gonna leave everything the way it is. I don't want to mess around with anything. Then 1 and 2 right here, and then we can adjust the height. This is my 2009 Honda Fit, and this is the car that we're going to be putting the short shifter on. This is my daily driver that we're eventually going to K-swap. I already have the mounts and everything, so it's going to be a K-swap, daily driven, track driven car. For anyone who's new to this, Honda Fits are the best. Don't mind the nasty interior. This is what we are working on. I think this should be an easy install as long as this is built correctly. That is what's worrying me the most. If the main mounting bolts aren't basically drilled and measured properly, that's where we're gonna have the issues. And most of the time, my main concerns with all these Alibaba, AliExpress, and some Amazon products is the fact that the quality control is not there. So I'm gonna take those clips off. It's probably something you guys don't want to see. It's super simple, 3 clips, and we're gonna take the console out. We're gonna check out our original shifter, and then we're gonna get to this one. So let's do it. If you're one of my Honda Fit homies and you're learning how to do this too, so simple stuff. Flathead here pops that out, flathead here pops that out, and then this is where the e-brake sits, so just pop this little thing out with the flathead, and then pretty much at the back over here there is a Phillips screw, or it might be an 8mm, and then you just lift and pull out. Super easy stuff. Look at this. What is this? Why is this so kind of like odd? This is kind of split off to the fuel pump, and I don't want to mess with this. So we're just going to tackle the shifter. We're going to take our shift knob off. If you're wondering what shift knob this is, Circuit Hero. You can get this at Garage 16. Could I make custom shift knobs? I think it'd be badass. So to remove this, we have 1, 2, probably 3 and 4 over there. But first what we're going to do is we're going to get a flathead and a hammer. We're going to remove this C-clip, and then after this is a rotational clip here. We're gonna rotate it, pop our shifter cables out, and then pop the main shifter out. This should be honestly super easy. With this, pretty much all I did was get a flathead and kind of just work it all the way up, and shabam, movie magic. So what you're gonna do is rotate to your left. I might need both hands. I wish I had someone here to help record, but come on. Let's see. There we go. So that is loose. So now you see this retaining clip right here. We're going to remove that retaining clip right over here so that we can pop the cable out. We've loosened and turned that so we know that this guy right here is not going to be our issue, and usually that is. So let's pop that out. Oh my god, I did that. So now this guy's loose. Now we can rotate this guy out. I've swapped hats over. I didn't want to get my brand new Street Legacy stitch hat all sweaty and stuff, so we're gonna rock the Bass Pro for now. And if you guys are wondering, with all this nastiness and everything, I've never had a dog who sheds, and a lot of really nasty ass shit here. I probably should be wearing gloves. I cut myself, and then with instinct I touched my lip like, oh wait. I got myself, and it tastes nasty. Let's tackle the boats. One of them looks really bad, so I'm hoping that doesn't get seized or break off, because that breaks off, we're done. Yeet. These guys came out pretty good. The ones beside the red doomsday wire. That guy over there got me a little shook. I ain't gonna lie. So this guy right over here got me a little shook. Let me brighten up so you can see this. Yeah, that guy got me shook. I got lefty loosey, then went righty tighty, and then I had to tighten it down again, loosen it again, tighten it down again. We got it out. This guy wasn't too bad. Over here, that guy scared me. As you can see, that one's more corroded than the rest of them. We'll apply some PB Blaster to that before we put new bolts in. All right, so time has come. Doomsday wire is here. Everything's ready to go. Let's install it. So we got our shifter here. We got our dime bag full of random ass shit that I don't think I'm actually going to need. Maybe just the main bolts, but not all these clips. But I'm not an AliExpress engineer. So nope. Test one before we get into it. All the holes seem to be lined up pretty good. I have a feeling we're gonna have cable issues, but whatever, let's go. So yeah, we're off to a horrible start. This doesn't look like it's gonna line up in this bracket correctly. I will see in a second. I have a feeling when they designed this too short. We will see. I'm still gonna install it. We're gonna see how bad it is, and if it's I'm regretting all my life decisions right now. I'm regretting this decision already. Shit. Oh, wow. Doesn't it look so great? So amazing. Look, left and right feels great. Second gear feels great. Fourth gear feels great. Reverse feels great. Oh, where's third? Where's first? Hello? First? Third? Well, it's not gonna work because that cable can't get into gear there. And let's see if I can show you guys what's happening. Let's get this rig down here. Oh yeah, that's a nice little position. Look, see how we can go in gear fine this way, but we hit when trying to go further up because the dimensions and everything from this is completely off because that cable can't sit in there properly. So I wish I could have at least got a test drive in for you guys. I can technically probably take off in second, then drive to fourth, and that's about it. I don't have first, third, and fifth. I have second, fourth, reverse, which is, I guess, doable, but, well, guys, let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna switch this to the higher position and hope at least we can get a test drive in, because that's all I want to do. I just want to see how it feels, you know? That's it. It doesn't work, but let me show you quickly what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, cable loosey-goosey will not work. So what I'm gonna do though, I just want to start the car. I just want to see if it goes in the gear for whatever reason. Well, I don't think it's going to, but let's see. I'm going to regret this. 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 Second gear. Okay. Second gear. We got a second gear. It's driving. It's driving. This is bad though. This is... Looks kind of good, no? But it's really, really, really bad. Well, I gotta drive with it. At least one. When I switched second to fourth, it kind of felt nice. I wish at least it fit. If it broke on me shifting normally, sure, but let it fit. What is crazy is the fact that this thing came wrapped like it was a bar of gold or something like that. It was like it was a diamond. It was wrapped in the most absurdly overdone bubble wrap. And I've had things worth a lot more money come in like, you know, tinfoil. So I'm upset. So what we're gonna do now is take this off, put the OEM one back for now because I can't even drive and I need to drive. And we're going to purchase an Acuity Stage 1 shift kit. I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that's gonna make this 100 times better, and we know it's gonna fit because they do a lot of R&D and they do really, really good stuff there. Let's take this all apart, take a look at it, see the damage that's been done after driving for 2 seconds. Just so you guys don't go, oh my god, you doesn't know what he's doing. So you can see the cable's perfectly lined up there, and you can see that was our issue. So, yep, back in literally like 2 seconds. Well, there it is. Don't buy this. I'm actually disappointed. Some of you guys are like, why are you disappointed? You spent money on shit. Like, I know it's shit, but at least it should fit or somehow fit where I can at least drive. I would be happy to break it shifting first to second with all 90 horsepower of that fit. I would have been ecstatic to break it then. Not, I couldn't even drive it. Like, I guess second, fourth, and that's it in reverse. It is a shitty situation, but this is why we did it. We did this so you don't have to. I wasted a lot of time today doing this, I'm not gonna lie. My heart hurts, $300 down the drain, but I guess this is why I do it, so you guys don't have to. And no, I am not rich, I'm just stupid. So, there it is. If you guys stuck to the end, consider subscribing. I got a lot more stupid shit to do. I bought the cheapest exhaust I can find in the world for my 22 Subaru BRZ. Here's my leg down. But yeah, check out Street Legacy. That's it. Go grab some stuff. Remember, guys, do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.